Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let us try to solve this problem given here. The equation of an alternating current is given by this formula. It is asking us all these five values. So we know that equation of current I is equal to 42.42 sine of 628t. The standard form of instantaneous current I is equal to I maximum sine of omega t. Okay, so from here the question is very clear that the first one is the maximum current. Maximum current is how much? 42.42 ampere. And second one is frequency. So when you compare this, the omega is equal to 2 pi f, that is equal to 628. From here f is equal to 628 divided by 2 pi. When you perform it, this 628 divided by 2 into 3.14, that is equal to 100 hertz. So second bit is completed. Third bit is the RMS. The formula for IRMS is equal to IM divided by root 2. That is equal to the value of IM is how much? 42.42 amperes divided by root 2. That is equal to 30 amperes. The fourth bit is nothing but the average value. So average value is equal to 2 Vm by pi, that is 0.637 Im, that is equal to 0.637 into 42.42. When you multiply it, this is 27.0215 amperes. So after completing the fifth bit, what we require is nothing but form factor, where this is defined as the ratio of IRMS divided by the average value. IRMS value is nothing but 30 divided by average value is 27.02. When you do it, the form factor is 1.1, where the units are no units. There are no units to the form factor. This is all about this problem. Like this, multiple videos are available in your channel, completely all about the subject of basic electrical and electronics engineering for the B.Tech first year of all the branches. So thank you for your time. If you feel the video is useful, please like the video and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, still you can subscribe to my channel with the name Thulasi Ram. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.